If you're switching phones or want to move your Saily eSIM from one Android device to another, this video will walk you through the exact steps. It's super simple once you know where to look. And before we begin, if you're setting up a new eSIM or planning to get one, there's a link in the description that gives you 15% off all Saily plans. Make sure to check that out after watching. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll need to uninstall the eSIM from your current Android device. Open Settings, tap Connections on some phones. It may be labeled Network and Internet and then select SIM Manager. Find your Saily eSIM, usually labeled as One Global or something similar, and tap on it. You'll see an option to remove. Go ahead and confirm that. Once that's done, your eSIM is deleted from the old device. Next, open the Saily app on your phone. Tap Install eSIM, then choose Share eSIM to Other Person. This will display a QR code on your screen. Now grab your new device, scan that QR code, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And that's it. Your Saily eSIM is now transferred to your new Android device. If you previously changed your eSIM's default settings, you may need to enter your PIN or PUK code, so keep that handy just in case. Once everything is installed, your data should start working on the new device right away. Before you go, don't forget there's a 15% off link in the description for all Saily plans. So if you're setting up a new device or grabbing a fresh plan, make sure to use that link and save a bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.